Yo, I'm back. First moto vlog on the bike. We are riding to the lake and watch the sunset here as it goes down for a little bit. And then just do some random riding on after. So what got me into riding? Ever since I was a little kid, I love motorcycles. My dad always had a motorcycle. It just made me want to have one. When I was in 7th and 8th grade, I had a Honda 50 was my first bike, and I loved it. Ran it up and down these roads like nothing. And well, after high school, I stepped away from it for a while, and been 10 years, and now I decided I wanted to ride again, so I bought a 2020 Honda CB650R, and I'm loving every minute of it. Super fun to ride. It's fast. It's everything you want in a bike. It can wheelie. It can do it all. It's comfortable. I have 1,000 miles on it, and the 1,000-mile review will be coming soon. So there'll be that to look forward to. All in all, it's just a fun bike to ride and enjoy being outside on it and twisting the throttle. It really rips and it wants to go. The first 1,000 miles, or the first 600 miles, I was really easy on it, making sure my break-in period was good. I never went over 8,000 or 8,000 RPM, so I was really happy that I took the time to break in the bike properly. And the first oil change showed it had minimal shavings in it. The oil looked great. So I'm excited to see on my next oil change at 4,000 what the oil will look like. But yeah, otherwise the bike runs great. It handles very well. I like that it's lightweight, and it's easy. It's easy to ride, easy to corner, and the bike does all the work. So what made me decide to get the Honda was the engine, the reliability of Honda, and the dependability. You can't go wrong on a Honda. It's one of the best bikes out there, in my opinion. I've looked at the Yamahas and Ducati, and it just didn't compare. The inline 4 by far is always going to be more superior. You got that high-end torque, and it just loves being up in them high RPM range. But yeah, it's super fun. It's great to be out on two wheels again. Now that I'm 30, I just need something to just let a little steam out on, and this is the ticket. Just enjoy every minute riding it. And the more miles I put on it, the more fun it's been becoming. Like the first 300, I was still a little iffy and scared about it, but now that I got 1,000 miles on it and I've ridden it more, it became very, very responsive to my riding, and I just love every minute of it. We're at the lake here now. I'm just turning around, and then we'll see the nice sun. Wow, incredible view. I love sitting here and just looking over the lake, throwing a line in. The few things that I don't like about it is the tail light in the back, the tail fender. It just makes it look ugly. I think I'm gonna go get the tidy tail just to clean up the look of it and make it look a little cleaner. Other than that, I don't really think about modding any more than that. The exhaust sounds fine. Shouldn't really need an aftermarket exhaust. I like the sound of the stock. I've heard other YouTubers talking about the LCD screen. I haven't had an issue on it with the clarity of it. Only when you put a black visor on the sun can affect it. But other than that, if you have a clear shield, I haven't been noticing the sun changing how the odometer looks, or the sun beating down to where it makes it a little blurry. I haven't had that problem. I have had a false neutral already, which was kind of scary. It keeps the clutch is still free spinning, and when you drop it back into gear, it really wants to. It's hard on the gears. So I've had 2 of them happen. I've made the mistake of dropping it in right away. The second time it happened, I slowed down, stopped, let the clutch stop spinning freely, and it engaged a lot better. So that made me happy. And the more time that I've had sitting on it, as well as the seat, people were complaining about the seat being hard. After the 1,000 miles I've got on it, it's starting to become softer and really get worked in good. I think all you need is just more seat time on it to really get that to soften up a little bit. But they do make other seats where you can put a modded seat on it and it'll be more comfortable to ride for longer rides. I'm not riding 4 hours. I'm just riding to work and back, or maybe a half-hour run around the block. Up to an hour was my longest, and your butt gets a little sore after a while, but it's not too terrible. And like I said, sitting on it and working your butt into it really will help break in that seat a little more. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy my first moto vlog. I want some feedback. Let me know on what you guys think. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, or what kind of videos do you like watching. And I'm into a lot of things. I like woodworking. I like being outside. I got 4-wheeler videos I could make. I got some stuff around the house that I could do as well. Just let me know what your opinion is, and I'll try to accommodate all your guys' needs and wants and videos. Let's have a discussion and make a community. I love interacting with other people, and this is a fun way of doing it. I'm liking that I'm getting better at making videos, and it does take some time to edit every once in a while, but I feel like I'm getting better, and every day I try to make one or do something, I learn something new and exciting, and it's very fun. So hit that like and subscribe and help my channel grow, help you grow. Let's help each other out as a community and become the people that we want to be. Be friendly, be courteous of other people. That's all I expect, and I hope I do the same for you. If I'm not, please call me out on it. There's no bad criticism. There's only good criticism. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this my first moto vlog. I can't believe I did this. It's really fun. I need to work on making the sound of the bike match when I'm talking. That'd be awesome if I can have another external microphone going to my exhaust, because then I can have the bike sound in it too as well, and I think you guys would really enjoy that. Or do you not want to hear me talk at all? Do you just want pure bike sound? Let me know in the comments. Give me some feedback. I appreciate it. Also, let me know what you guys ride for bikes and what interests you into riding and what made you want to become a rider. I look forward to all the comments and questions and just making this the best community we can. So, the ride's almost over. I hope everybody has a good rest of their night, and see you in the next video. Yeah, and if you made it this far, I really appreciate you watching my video all the way through. You don't know how much that means to me. Such a blessing that I even get time to come out here and do what I'm doing and showing you around the type of areas that I can ride. And hopefully I can get some better footage of not just flat land, and maybe get into some twisties. There's some areas further south that are pretty cool, and I'd like to take you on my adventures. So stay with me and we can make some good content together and enjoy filming and watching my videos that I create for you guys. You're my motivation, so thank you very much. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome.